Yo, it's Jabbar with another video, and today in this video, I want to show you the correct way to do a wide dumbbell curl. Hello there, are you subscribed to Jabbar's Fitness channel? If you're not, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Let's get back into the video. So like I said before, I'm going to show you the proper way to do a wide dumbbell curl. In order to do this, of course, you're going to need a set of dumbbells. So we're going to pick up the dumbbells. We're going to have them by our side, and just going, instead of doing like a regular bicep dumbbell curl, we're going to have our palms facing outwards. This would make it fun. Then we're going to basically do regular curl, squeeze at the top. Remember to squeeze at the top with all your exercise pieces. And when you're doing this, always stand up in straight and neutral position. And control your breathing. So I want you to breathe this down, inhale, and on the way up. Exhale. And then continue for reps. Yo, it's Jabbar with another video. And today I'm going to show you the proper way to do a push-up. Let's get into the video. So, the correct way to do a push-up. You may have been doing a push-up wrong, and you want to find out how to do it the right way. So first of all, a push-up is basically with a plank. So just start off like in a plank position, not up too wide, not up too high like this with your butt in there, but not too low like this. Believe it or not, it actually makes the exercise even harder. You want your back to be straight and everything, and squeeze your glutes. And everybody just thinks that this exercise mainly works your chest. This actually also works out legs, glutes, and core. So they're going to be like this. Another important thing about when you're doing push-ups, you don't want your hands too wide or too close. So see where your hand should be is put them in front of you and push back down like that. So my hands are going to be, when you do a push-up, you don't want your elbows flaring out, but you want them in like this. Stay straight. Squeeze your chest at the top. And continue for reps. Yo, it's Jabbar with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to do a proper hammer curl. Let's get into the video. This is a famous exercise, and in order to do this exercise, you need a set of dumbbells, of course. So, you're going to start off with the dumbbells on your side, and then just imagine you're a construction worker hammering. So you're basically going to go up like hammer and go down. So, just be standing up in a neutral position with the dumbbells beside your side, like I said. And we're going to go up with both dumbbells. We're going to go up, squeeze, and control on the way down. Up, squeeze, control on the way down. Up, squeeze, control on the way down. We want to continue reps. If you can't control the weight back down, this probably means you have too much weight. Yo, it's Jabbar with another video, and today I'm going to show you the proper way to do a bicep curl. Let's get into it. To do a bicep curl, you're going to need a set of dumbbells. you're going to be standing up in a neutral position with the dumbbells beside your side and your palms facing in, not like this, not backwards, but like this. And you want to have your legs loose, not being tense, and you're going to not just do a curl one at a time like this, but you're going to do the bicep curl with both arms. So when you start, you're going to be in this position like I said, and you're going, and you make sure you squeeze at the top, and then you need to turn. Yo, it's your bar with another video, and the squat is the most popular exercise for your legs, and today I'm going to show you how to do it right. So when people squat, most of the people make the mistake of getting their heels off the ground, but you want to leave your whole foot planted on the ground. And when you squat, you don't want your legs to be too far apart or too close to each other. So when you squat, you need to also make sure you go below parallel to get the benefits. And like I said, don't make the mistake of getting on your heels and not keeping your feet planted onto the ground. And going below parallel will help you get a much more benefit of a squat than someone who doesn't go parallel. Yo, it's your bar with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to do a proper cross-body hammer curl. Let's get into the video. There's an exercise called the hammer curl, but this is called a cross-body hammer curl. It's very similar to a hammer curl, but it has some different things you do in it. So first up, you are going to obviously need a set of dumbbells, and then you're going to have the dumbbell on your side, and we're going to be just doing like if we're doing a hammer, banging a hammer but sideways right here. But for it to be more effective, you want to lean forward a little bit, and you want to bring it to your side and squeeze. Always remember to squeeze when you're doing something. Squeeze, 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 and remember to control your breathing throughout every exercise that you do. So when we're doing this exercise, for example, when we're down, we're inhaling, and then we're up, exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, and then continue, and then, so you don't get a muscle imbalance, even though, well, to get rid of a muscle imbalance, you want to always start off with your non-dominant hand first. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Is this your first time visiting this channel? If you want to increase your knowledge about fitness, and you want more fitness content, exercises for different muscle groups, and so much more, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any content. See you later. Thank you for watching. Peace.